The damage extends from the tusks down to the grill.
We're seeing deep structural weakening in those seams.
Let's scan the chassis under the cab, too.
All right, let's start with the forward joint. It looks completely seized.
I'm seeing a lot of structural fatigue here, too.
Focus on stabilizing those tusks first.
The primary control junction here is heavily damaged.
Yeah, look at this corrosion.
We need to bypass the sensor housing.
Working on it.
We need to start with bracing the axle.
Check the integrity of the suspension arm first.
The chassis is stable. Check the rear connection points.
Confirmed, structure integrity is holding.
We're ready for controlled recovery.
The front right wheel mount is secure.
Check the rear chassis point.
Verified, all attachment points are green. Increase tension to 25%. Check stabilizers.
Stabilizers locked. Pulling now.
Slow and steady. Monitor tire clearance. All checks complete. Engage securing systems.
Secure. Systems engaged.
Begin slow movement.
Check the connections on the main valve and ensure pressure holds.
Affirmative, pressure holds.
Position the wide nozzles on the tusks.
Roger that.
Initiate wash in zone 1.
Keep the pressure steady on the tusks.
I'm clearing the grill now.
Nice work, team. Moving to the eyes.
The damage here is worse than we thought.
Structural integrity needs immediate assessment, Commander. Good work, team. Shift the stream to the rear axle. There's a spot on the hub. Keep working on this section.
Copy that.
Check the chassis near the axle. We need to go deeper there.
Understood.
Focus on the structural damage now that it's clean.
Yes, ma'am. Move down to the rear axles.
Make sure to check the hub seals on the ones we just cleaned.
The corrosion around the eye housing is deeper than anticipated.
Mark that area.
All right, team. Focus on the primary structural reinforcement first.
Copy that. Moving the crane into position now.
I'll prep the rust converters. Let's get this beast back on the road.
Keep it steady. Monitoring alignment.
Hold for a moment.
Adjusting now. Clear.
The corrosion is worse than we thought in this section. Yeah.
Especially these hoses.
Yes, focus on documenting the wiring bundles here.
The intake manifold is secured, but the coolant lines are heavily damaged.
We'll need a reinforced composite for these connections.
Prep the crane for extraction on my mark. Hooks locked. Chains secured. Clear the area.
Clearing now. Watch the cables.
Begin the lift. Slow and steady.
Keep it steady. Guide the left tusk slowly. Copy. Move it down 2 feet. Check clearance on the rig.
All right, team. All right, team. The engine is down. Let's start the assessment. Mark the... Keep the pressure steady on that manifold.
Right away.
Check for microfractures near the coolant line. Excellent, that looks much better. Move to the next section.
All right, team, let's start with the neck housings and tusks.
Roger that. Watch the ice on the cables. Keep it steady, watch the pressure. Easy does it, just a bit lower. Readings are good, immerse it slowly. The rust is breaking down nicely. Adjust the voltage slightly, please. Perfect, we're almost there.
The corrosion is gone, surfaces look good.
Specifications check confirms optimal tolerance.
Excellent. Let's start placing them for assembly.
The fitting looks perfect. Let's install it now.
On it. Watch the alignment.
All right, seals on the manifold are secure.
Roger that.
Hoses are connected. Torque them to spec.
Done.
Good, move to the main output.
The pressure readings are stable.
Yeah.
Checks on all seals and hoses are green. Final look at the mounting points, then we're ready. The front suspension mounts show significant stress and corrosion, confirming readings on the structural connections.
Tablet indicates critical weak points on axles 4 and 5.
Hold it there. A little more to the left. Perfect. Measure from the bearing. 17.5. It's solid.
Slow and steady. Check the torque on that bracket.
Confirmed. Alignment looks perfect.
Lifting complete. Test the stability.
Keep cleaning that section, B. It's coming loose.
I have the new bearing ready.
Perfect fit.
Torque values are critical on these lugs.
Checked.
And the bearings? All right, team, let's secure the final assembly.
Hubs are looking good, bearings renewed.
Installing the structure now. Excellent, let's finish strong.
The calibration on the new panel is perfect.
Move to the I section now.
Verified.
The alignment looks good.
Adjusting the flow.
All right, clear the area. All right, loosen the top bracket first.
Careful with the weight.
Verified. Bring it down slowly.
The structural supports look good.
The calibration shows this piece is off spec.
Copy that. Replacing now.
The finish is perfect. Just remove those final rough edges.
Compressed air clear?
Wonderful work, team. Just one more pass on the trunk.
Excellent. The articulation is perfect.
Confirmed. Testing complete.
All right, team, let's head inside. The mechanical systems are fully operational. Copy that. Moving in. Checking interior schematics now.
Be careful with those connections.
Got it.
That's better. That's better. Okay, placing it now.
The corrosion here is severe.
Pass me the precision tool.
Verified. It's ready for sanding. The primary control harness needs to run through this access point.
Understood.
Ensure these connections are properly insulated.
The alignment looks perfect.
Yeah.
Let me secure this gauge now.
Okay.
Almost done with the wiring back here. Just need to test this last switch.
All right, let's start the sequence. Systems coming online. Dash is illuminating. Check the diagnostics. Power flow looks good.
The steering response is perfect. Connections are all secure down here. The primary systems are online.
Looking good, Commander.
Just a few more finishing touches here.
The rust is deep here. We need to cut out the entire section. Move the new panel into place slowly. Adjust the clamps tight.
Excellent work, team. Move to the next section.
Copy that, boss.
Ensure those supports are spotless.
Understood.
Keep the pressure even on these structural welds.
Yes, ma'am.
Ensure the fur texture blends perfectly with the new panels.
Keep the coverage even on the structural bodywork. Technician, adjust your angle near the panel seam. Focus on consistency. These layers are critical.
Hold a little to the left. Perfect. Lower it now.
Clear.
Locking in place.
Keep it steady. Down a little more. Easy now.
Check the left side.
Perfect. Secure it. Let's get those bolts tight.
Gently, a little to the left. Perfect. Lower it slowly. Watch the mounts. Okay, lock it in. Looks good.
Ensure the pressure seal is tight on the main fuel line.
Roger that.
Main air intake connected, Captain.
The wheels look perfect.
Just finished the final torquing.
Excellent. Let's move to the alignment checks.
Main power online.
Check relays. Dashboard is live.
Headlights engaging.
Tusks and sensors, all green.
System stable. Excellent. The tusks are looking pristine. Yeah, and the grill's never been sharper. Excellent work, team. It's ready. After years of work, she's finally alive.
Incredible. We did it.